This is how to change your currency on Roblox. If you haven't already, make sure to go to Roblox, install, and update the app. Once you have the app, we're going to open it up. We're going to log in. Now that we're here, we're going to go on the top right and hit the currency icon for Roblox right there. And as you can see right here, my currency is USD, United States dollars. So we're going to go and change that. We're going to head over to the App Store and look up VPN, which means a virtual private network. And we're going to go to this one, install it onto our phone. Once you have that installed, we're going to open it up. Accept and continue. Now you are going to get a few ads. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure to skip over them. Just don't worry about the ads. All right, we're going to hit the arrow icon where it says fastest location right there. And here is where we will find the location that we would like to go to in order to change our currency. So let's say we want to go to the Netherlands. We're going to hit the check right there. We're going to hit allow. And here when it's going to redirect us to the iPhone settings. Here you will enable the access for the VPN. And then it'll redirect you to this screen right here. We're going to go back. And here it says connected. So we have now connected our VPN to the Netherlands. Once you open Roblox back up again, it's going to have you logged out. Go ahead and log back in. All right, once you have logged in, we're going to hit on the currency once again in the top right, and it will be changed to either euro or whatever type of the currency that you would prefer. That is how to change the currency on Roblox.